next concept in Introduction to Analytical Chemistry. In last lecture we studied what is analytical chemistry, importance of analytical chemistry and different method of quantitative and qualitative analysis. So next we discuss scientific notation. So a chemist has deal with very large number. It is a Avogadro number. Avogadro number can be written in 6.022 into 10 raised to 23 molecules particle which is present in 1 mole of a substance. So chemist has dealt with very large number, means 602, 2, 00, 000, means this number is 24 number. Total number is 24 digit number. So avoid the zero writing many times. So scientists discover a scientific notation. Scientific notation means कोई भी number और कोई भी value जो 10 raised to into 10 raised to power में लिखनी चाहिए. So 24 digit number means this point, means this decimal point can be shipped before 23 digit. Before 23 digit means this value can be written as 6.022 into 10 raised to 23. Next, we all know that the speed of light can be written as 3 into 10 raised to power 8. 3 into 10 raised to power. But in last century, this value can be written as 3 non-zero digit and 8 times 0 and 8 times 0 means 3 into 8 times 0. So speed of light means 3 into 8 times 0. This value means 3 into 10 crore. So this value 8 times 0 which is large number. So avoid this 0. So this value can be written in 10 raised to power. So 10 raised to power how many 0? 8 0 means 3 into 10 raised to power 8. So avoid large number of any number non-zero or 0. So we can be written as 10 raised to power how many times? So it is speed of light 8 times 0. So 3 into 10 raised to 8 times 0. So next, in scientific notation, we written as a into x raised to n. A means coefficient or variable, x means space, and raised to n, n means exponent. So this value means this any value can be written in the form of n into 10 raised to n. N into 10 raised to n. So n can be represented as number, any number. 10 means base and n means exponent or n. This value may be positive or negative. This value may be positive or negative. So first, non-zero number. Non-zero number means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Means 0 not included in this number. So this number is called as non-zero number. And 0 number means only 0. 0 number digit means only 0. And non-zero digit 1 to 9. Means this is not including 0. So this number is called as non-zero number. Scientific notation. Simply we can say that scientific notation means large number. This 0. How many digits? 24 digits. So this large number avoid. So this can be written in the form of n into 10 raised to n. N into 10 raised to n. So n means number, 10 means base and n means exponent. Or this value can be said as scientific notation or exponential notation form. These values can be called as scientific notation or exponential notation. Scientific notation rules. So first rule, if we shift decimal towards towards right hand side. So we subtract the power. For example, 0.009. 0.0009. So this value can be written in the form of 10 raised to power n into 10 raised to power. So we non-zero digit in this number first. Right hand side non-zero number 9. Non-zero digit means 1 to 9. So first 9. So this decimal point can be shift towards a 9. Non-zero digit means in right hand side. In right hand side. So 9. Non-zero digit 9. So this decimal point shift towards 9.0 means this value can be written as n form into 10 raised to power. How many digits shifted? 1, 2, 3 और 4 means decimal point. ये point कितने digit के बाद shift हुआ? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 9 into 10 raised to power minus 4. In right hand side, first rule. If we shift decimal towards right hand side, so we subtract the power. So 9.0 into 10 raised to minus 4. So next, यह आंसर हमारा करेक्ट है नहीं, तो हम क्रॉस चेक करके देखें. So 9.0 means नंबर हमारा 0.4 times 0 and 9. So decimal remove in this number. So how many digits after decimal? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 times 0. So 4 times 0 means this value is 10,000. So this value can be written in the form of 9. 9 non-zero number into 10 raised to power 40 means 10 raised to power 4. So in numerator digit 9 and denominator 10 raised to power 4. So this number can be written in 9 into 10 raised to this numerator shift in upward direction. So power minus sign. So 9 into 10 raised to power minus 4. Next rule, if we shift decimal towards a left hand side, we add power. For example 7,000. So non-zero digit in left hand side, first number 7. So decimal point after a 7. So 7.0 means this is a 7. And scientific notation can be written in the form of 10 raised to power n. So how many digits in left hand side? 1, 2, 3. So 10 raised to power plus 3. So second rule, if we shift decimal towards a left hand side, we add the power. So this value can be written in the form of n into 10 raised to n. So n means 7 non-zero digit. And into 10 raised to, how many digits we shift? 1, 2, 3. So 10 raised to power plus 3. Next example based on scientific notation. So it depends on two rules. Means if decimal point shift towards the right hand side, then we subtract the power. And second rule, a decimal point shift towards a left hand side, then we add the power. So according to this rule, means based on this rule. So example, so first example 463.5. 463.5. So first non-zero digit number is 4. First non-zero digit number is 4. So this decimal point is shift in first digit non-zero digit. So this value can be written in 4.635. This value can be written in 4.635. And scientific notation can be written in 10 raised to power n. So how many digits shifted? This decimal point shift in left hand side. This decimal point shift in left hand side. Then we add a power. And how many digits? First, second means 2 digits. So 10 raised to power 2. So answer 4.635 into 10 raised to power 2. Means this first we decide a non-zero digit or non-zero number. So first non-zero number is 4. So this decimal point shifted towards a first non-zero digit. So this decimal point shifted in left hand side. So 4.635 and 10 raised to n means how how many digits shifted? 1, 2. So 10 raised to power 2. So short trick to check the correct answer. 4.635. So we first remove decimal point. First we remove decimal point. So this value can be written as 4635 upon how many digits? 1, 2, 3 means decimal point. So upon 1000 into 10 raised to power 2. 10 raised to power 2 means 100. 10 raised to power 2 means 100. So this 0 and this 0 cancel out each other. So answer is 4635 divided by 100. Divided by 10. So how many digit means how many 0? 1 digit, 1 number. So decimal point after a 1 digit means 463.5. So this is our first answer. And this answer can be written in the form of 10 raised to power n. n into 10 raised to power n. So answer of this 4.635 into 10 raised to 2. Next question. 0.0025. 0.0025. So first non-zero digit is 2. First non-zero digit is 2. So this decimal point shift towards a right hand side. This decimal point shift towards the right hand side. So answer is 2.5. Means 2.5 is a number and into 10 raised to power. Scientific notation हम 10 raised to power n में लिखते हैं. So how many digits shifted? 1, 2, 3. So 10 raised to power in right hand side. So we subtract a power means 10 raised to power 3. How many digits? 1, 2, 3. So 10 raised to power minus 3. Next question. 4683.507 means 4683.507. So first non-zero digit is 4. First non-zero digit is 4. So answer of this question 4.683.507. और scientific notation हम 10 raised to power n में लिखते हैं. So this decimal point shifted towards a first non-zero digit in left hand side. In left hand side. So we add the power. So how many digits? First, second, third. So into 10 raised to power plus 3. So answer is 4.683.507 into 10 raised to power 3. So next question 0.0048. So first non-zero digit is 4. First non-zero digit is 4. So decimal point shift towards a first non-zero digit. So answer is 4.8 into 10 raised to power. Decimal point shift towards the right hand side. Then subtract a power. So 10 raised to power minus how many digits? 1, 2, 3. So 10 raised to power minus 3. Next 2, 3, 4 and 3 times 0. Next question 2, 3, 4, 0, 0, 0. So first non-zero digit is 2. So decimal point shift towards a non-zero digit A left hand side. In left hand side. Then we add the power. So answer is 2.34000 and into 10 raised to power how many digits shifted? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So 10 raised to power 5 plus 5. So next question is 8008. So first non-zero digit is 8. So decimal point shifted towards 8.008 into 10 raised to power. In decimal point shifted towards a left hand side, first non-zero digit. So we add the power. So 10 raised to power. How many digits? 1, 2, 3. So 10 raised to power plus. Again we explain this scientific notation. So hand side in scientific notation, decimal point shift towards, we decide a first left hand side non-zero digit number. We first decide in left hand side first non-digit number. So first non-digit number in left hand side is 4. So decimal point shifted in first non-digit number after first non-digit number. So 4.635. So how many digits shifted? In 1, 2. So into 10 raised to power 2 means in left hand side. So we add the power means 10 raised to power 2. So in second, first left hand side non-zero digit number 2. First in left hand side non-zero digit number is 2, not the right hand side. First is left hand side 2. So decimal point shifted towards the right hand side. Towards the right hand side. Then we subtract the power. So 2 into 5 into 10 raised to power, how many digits shifted? 1, 2, 3. So 10 raised to power minus 3. Next example 4683.507. So decimal point shifted up in left hand side. First non-zero digit is 4. First non-zero digit is 4. So we can be written answer in the form of 4.683507. And how many digits shifted? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And in left hand side. So we add the power. So 10 raised to power 3. Next, decimal point shifted towards a first non-zero digit number. So non-zero digit number in left hand side. First 4. So decimal point shift towards in right hand side. Then we subtract the power. So this decimal point shifted after a 4. So 4.8. And how many digits? 1, 2, 3. So 10 raised to power 3. And in right hand side. Then subtract the power means 10 raised to power minus 3. Next 2, 3, 4, 0, 0, 0. So first left hand side non-zero digit number 2. First non-zero digit number 2. So 2.34000 into 10 raised to power, how many digits shifted? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And decimal point shift towards a left hand side. Then we add the power means 10 raised to power 5. Next 8008. So first non-zero digit number is in left hand side 8. So 8.008. And how many digits? 1, 2, 3 in left hand side. So 10 raised to power 3. Next example 500.5. 500.5. So this example can be written in the form of scientific notation means n into 10 raised to power n. So first non-zero digit number in left hand side. First left hand side non-zero digit number is 5. So this answer can be written in 5.005. And in the form of scientific notation compulsory written in 10 raised to power n. Scientific notation compulsory written in 10 raised to power n. So 10 raised to power how many digits? Digits shifted in right hand side. Digits shifted in left hand side. So we add the power. So how many digits? 1, 2. So 10 raised to power 2. Decimal point shift towards the left hand side. Then we add the power. So 10 raised to power 2. In next example 6.001. 6.001. In this example already decimal point shift. But this is not a scientific notation. In left hand side first non-zero digit is 6. First non-zero digit is 6. A decimal point पहले से ही फर्स्ट नॉन जीरो डिजिट पे तो हमें क्या लिखना है? साइंटिफिक नोटेशन कंपल्सरी रिटन इन 10 raised to power n. So answer is 6.0012 and साइंटिफिक नोटेशन हमने कितने डेसिमल पॉइंट शिफ्ट किए? एक भी नहीं. So 10 raised to power 0. So 10 raised to power 0. Laws of indices. A raised to 0. A means any number. So a raised to 0. A means any number. So a raised to 0 which is equal to 1. So a raised to 0 which is equal to 1. So 1 into 6.00 Answer is 6.001. But in scientific notation, compulsory written in the form of 10 raised to n. Next, in scientific notation, we study the multiplication, division, addition and subtraction. So, first we discuss multiplication example. So, first example 5.7 into 10 raised to power 6 into 4.2 into 10 raised to power 5. Then how we solve this example? First, 5.7 into 4.2 and next into 10 raised to power 6 into 10 raised to power 5. So, using laws of indices, we study with the solve this example. So, first a raised to m, laws of indices formula, a raised to m into a raised to n. So, a raised to m minus m plus n. Laws of indices formula, a raised to m into a raised to n, which is equal to a raised to, so laws of indices formula, a raised to n into a raised to n, which is equal to a raised to m plus n, m plus n. So first 5.7 into 4.2 and 10 raised to power 6 and 10 raised to power 2, multiplication. So on multiplication notation, we study the multiplication, division, addition, subtraction. So we first study multiplication. So using laws of indices formula, a raised to m into a raised to n, which is equal to a raised to m plus n. So first example 5.7 into 10 raised to power 6 into 4.2 into 10 raised to power 5. How to solve this example? Using laws of indices multiplication formula. So we add the power m plus n. So in first bracket 5.7 into 4.2, 5.7 into 4.2 into, in first bracket 10 raised to power 6 into 10 raised to power 5. So a raised to m into a raised to n. So a m plus n. So 5.7 into 4.2. On multiplication we get answer 23.94 into 10 raised to power 6 plus 5 using laws of indices multiplication formula. So 23.94 into 10 raised to power 6 plus 5, 11. First 5.7 into 4.2. On multiplication we get 23.94 and a raised to m into a raised to n. So using laws of indices formula, a m plus n. So 6 plus 5, 10 raised to power 11. So answer, final answer of this question 23.94 into 10 raised to power 11. Next, second example 5.7 into 10 raised to power 6 into 4.2 into 10 raised to power minus, means a raised to power m into a raised to power minus n. So first we solve 5.7 into 4.2 multiplication into 10 raised to power 6 into 10 raised to power minus 3. So 5.7 into 10 raised to 5.7 into 4.2 is 23.94. On multiplication we get answer 23.94. And laws of indices multiplication formula, a raised to m into a raised to n. So a raised to m plus n. So 10 raised to plus 6 plus 10 raised to power minus 3. So next 23.94 into 10 raised to power 6 and bracket open, so minus 3, 6 minus 3. So final answer of this question is 23.94 into 10 raised to power 6 minus 3, 3. Large number sign plus 3, so plus 10 raised to power plus 3. Next example 5.7 into 10 raised to minus 6 multiplication into 4.2 into 10 raised to minus 3. So first 5.7 into 4.2 into 10 raised to minus 6 into 10 raised to minus 3, means 10 raised to, both powers are negative. So 5.7 into 4.2, answer 23.94, and root a raised to n plus a raised to n, so 10 raised to minus 6 in first bracket. Using laws of indices, a raised to m plus a raised to n means a raised to m plus n, so 10 raised to minus 6, and second 10 raised to power minus 3, add. So final answer is 23.94 into 10 raised to power minus 6 and माइनस साइन बाहर, ब्रैकेट ओपन हो जाएगा तो माइनस साइन बाहर आ जाएगा, तो -6 and -3, -6 and -3 we get -9, we get -9. So answer of this question is 23.94 into 10 raised to power minus. Means in multiplication, in scientific notation multiplication 10 raised to power सेम होती है, तो means in multiply, so a raised to power m into a raised to power n, so a raised to 10 raised to power m plus n means on adding 10 raised to power 11. But in second example 10 raised to power plus sign and 10 raised to power minus 3 means first example में plus 10 raised to power है और यहाँ पे minus है. So using laws of indices multiplication में addition ही होती है, लेकिन sign सब मीन्स एक तरफ पॉजिटिव और एक तरफ निगेटिव है, तो ये निगेटिव साइन बाहर आ जाएगा तो माइनस हो जाएगा. सो +6 - 3 मीन्स 6 - 3 which is equal to 10 raised to power plus. नेक्स्ट पावर दोनों भी निगेटिव है, so 5.7 into 4.2 23.94, बट इन मल्टीप्लीकेशन माइनस और माइनस 10 raised to power -6 और -6, लेकिन यहाँ पे भी मल्टीप्लिकेशन है तो एडिशन ही होगी, तो -6 और -3, तो 10 raised to power -9. नेक्स्ट डिवीजन, साइंटिफिक नोटेशन इन डिवीजन. सो फर्स्ट वी डिवाइड 5.7 into 10 raised to power 6 डिवाइड बाय 4.2 into 10 raised to power 3. So 5.7 divided by 4.2 into, using laws of indices in division formula, a raised to m divided by a raised to n. So answer a raised to m minus 9. इन मल्टीप्लिकेशन में एडिशन होती है और डिवीजन में लॉज ऑफ इंडिसेस के फॉर्मूले में सब्सट्रैक्शन होती है. सो 10 raised to 6 minus 10 raised to 3 मीन्स पावर की क्या होगी, सब्सट्रैक्शन होगी, तो 6 - 3 आ जाएगा. सो फाइनल आंसर 5.7 डिवाइड बाय 4.2 ऑन डिवीजन वी गेट 1.351 into 10 raised to 6 - 3 10 raised to 3 मीन्स मल्टीप्लिकेशन में लॉज ऑफ इंडिसेस में एडिशन और डिवीजन में सब्सट्रैक्शन. सो नेक्स्ट एग्जांपल 5.7 into 10 raised to -6 और डिवीजन में डिवाइड बाय 4.2 into 10 raised to -, मीन्स दोनों में निगेटिव साइन है, पावर की साइन दोनों में निगेटिव है. सो फर्स्ट 5.7 into 10 raised to -6 on dividing 4.2 into 10 raised to -3 equal to 5.7 divided by 4.2. On division we get answer 1.3571 and 10 raised to power -6. डिवीजन में 10 raised to power -6 means in first bracket -6, and in division using laws of indices we subtract the power, so 10 raised to power -6 in first bracket, -6 in second bracket, -3. So next answer 1.3571 into, ये ब्रैकेट ओपन हो जाएगा तो आंसर हमारा 10 raised to power -6 plus 3. So 1.3571 into 10 raised to power, अपोजिट साइन है सब्सट्रैक्शन और लार्ज नंबर वैल्यू साइन, so -6 plus 3 means answer of this question 10 raised to power -3. 10 raised to power -3. Next example 5.7 to minus. So first 5.7 into 10 raised to 6 on dividing 4.2 into 10 raised to power minus 3. So 5.7 divided by 4.2 into 10 raised to power plus 6 and on division subtract the power and minus sign in 10 raised to power minus 3. So in bracket minus 3. So next answer 5.7 divided by 4.2 on simplify we get answer 1.3571 into 10 raised to power 6 plus 3 minus minus plus. So 6 plus 3 9. So final answer is 1.3571 into 10 raised to power 9. So scientific notation means in the form of n into 10 raised to power n मनी. लेकिन मल्टीप्लिकेशन में क्या होता है यूजिंग लॉज ऑफ इंडाइसिस में एडिशन होती है और डिवीजन में क्या होता है यूजिंग लॉज ऑफ इंडाइसिस में सब्सट्रैक्शन होती है. लेकिन साइन की कंफ्यूजन यहाँ पे मत कर देना, धीरे से स्लोली स्टोर कर लेना. नेक्स्ट इन साइंटिफिक नोटेशन एडिशन एंड सब्सट्रैक्शन. सो first we discuss addition. So first example 4.56 into 10 raised to power plus 3 plus in second bracket 2.62 into 10 raised to power 2. But in this addition and subtraction in 10 raised to power हमें क्या करनी पड़ेगी फर्स्ट सिमिलर लानी पड़ेगी और फिर एडिशन करनी पड़ेगी. तो यहाँ पे 10 raised to power 3 है फर्स्ट ब्रैकेट में और सेकंड ब्रैकेट में 10 raised to power 2 है. तो ये दोनों के पावर 10 raised to power सेम लानी चाहिए. तो हमें पॉइंट क्या करना पड़ेगा शिफ्ट करना पड़ेगा. तो हमारा आंसर तो ये पॉइंट 4 पॉइंट का डेसिमल हमें फिफ्थ के बाद निकालना पड़ेगा. तो हमारा क्या होगा 45 ये हमारा राइट हैंड साइड पे शिफ्ट हो गया तो पावर क्या होगी सब्सट्रैक्ट होगी. तो 45.6 इंटू क्या होगा 10 raised to power प्लस 3 और यहाँ पे एक ही डिजिट हमने शिफ्ट किया तो कितना आएगा 10 raised to power इंटू 10 raised to power क्या आएगी 1 माइनस 1 आ जाएगी. तो ये क्या हो जाएगा 45.6 इंटू मल्टीप्लीकेशन में क्या होती है पावर ऐड होती है तो 10 raised to power प्लस 3 और यहाँ पे एडिशन और सेकेंड ब्रैकेट में माइनस. तो हमारा फाइनल आंसर 45.6 इंटू 10 raised to power क्या हो गए 2 हो गए. मतलब ये फर्स्ट सेकेंड ब्रैकेट हमारा सेम होगा 10 raised to power 2 10 raised to power 2. ये कैसे गए हमने इन राइट हैंड साइड पे 1 डेसिमल पॉइंट शिफ्ट किया तो हमारा क्या होगा 45.6 होगा और इंटू हमारी फर्स्ट 10 की पावर क्या है 3 है. लेकिन एक पॉइंट शिफ्ट करने के डेसिमल क्या होगा 10 raised to power राइट हैंड साइड पे शिफ्ट किया तो -1. तो ऑन मल्टीप्लिकेशन में क्या होती है एडिशन होती है पर 10 raised to power की साइन क्या है एक में प्लस है और एक में माइनस है. तो 3 प्लस इन ब्रैकेट सेकेंड -1 so 10 raised to power 3 minus 1 10 raised to power 2. So next add ये 10 raised to power 2 और ये 10 raised to power 2 तो मतलब 10 raised to power सिमिलर आ गए तो अब हम ऐड करेंगे. सो आंसर नेक्स्ट 45.6 प्लस इंटू 10 raised to power 2 प्लस इन सेकेंड ब्रैकेट 2.62 इंटू 10 raised to power 2. अभी हमारी फर्स्ट डिजिट की एडिशन हो जाएगी 45.6 प्लस 2.62 इंटू कॉमन क्या आ जाएगा तो 10 raised to power 2. तो ये आगे इस ब्रैकेट के आगे सामने लिखा तो भी चलेगा और पीछे लिखा तो भी चलेगा इंटू 10 raised to power 2. सो 45 प्लस 6 प्लस 2.62 so 2 6 2 12 तो हमारा आंसर आ गया 48.22 इंटू 10 raised to power 2 इंटू 10 raised to power 2. So this is our final answer. Next example 45.6 इंटू 10 raised to power 4 है और यहाँ पे प्लस 3.6 इंटू 10 raised to power 4. तो हमारे 10 raised to ब्रैकेट में क्या है सिमिलर, तो हमारी सिंपली एडिशन हो जाएगी। तो कॉमन क्या है, फर्स्ट 10⁴ है, उसको हमने फर्स्ट लिख लिया, और सेकंड क्या होगा 45.6 प्लस 3.62, तो 45.6 प्लस 3.62, so next answer on adding this two side, which is equal to 49.22 into 10⁴ 10⁴ इस एग्जांपल में सेम थी, तो फर्स्ट हमने क्या लिया कॉमन लिया और फिर सिंपली दोनों को एडिशन कर दिया, तो आंसर 49.22 into 10⁴. नेक्स्ट ऑन सब्सट्रैक्शन इन साइंटिफिक नोटेशन, इसमें भी यही रूल है, फर्स्ट क्या करनी पड़ेगी 10⁴ सेम लानी पड़ेगी। तो इन दिस एग्जांपल फर्स्ट क्या है, इन फर्स्ट ब्रैकेट 45.67 into 10⁵ माइनस इन सेकेंड ब्रैकेट 3.633 into 10⁵, तो यहाँ पे हमारे 10⁵, 10⁵ सिमिलर, तो फर्स्ट हम क्या लिखेंगे कॉमन ब्रैकेट के बाहर निकालेंगे और हमारे नेक्स्ट सब्सट्रैक्ट, तो 45.67 माइनस 3.633 on subtraction we get answer is 42.037 on subtracting these two value, so we get answer is 42.037 into 10⁵, सेम थी तो एक ही बार लिख दिया 10⁵. अभी नेक्स्ट है सब्सट्रैक्शन एग्जांपल इन साइंटिफिक नोटेशन, फर्स्ट ब्रैकेट में 45.67 है into 10⁻+5 माइनस इन सेकेंड ब्रैकेट 3.633 into 10⁶. अभी इसमें 10⁴ चेंज है, तो हमें फर्स्ट क्या करेंगे, फर्स्ट इसका 10⁶ लाना पड़ेगा, नहीं तो इसका 10⁵, तो हम सेकेंड ब्रैकेट का 10⁵ कैसे करेंगे, डेसिमल पॉइंट शिफ्ट करेंगे, तो फर्स्ट 3 पॉइंट ये डेसिमल पॉइंट हम राइट हैंड साइड पे शिफ्ट करेंगे, तो हमारा आंसर क्या होगा 36.33, राइट हैंड साइड पे शिफ्ट किया तो हमारा डेसिमल पॉइंट 6 के बाद में शिफ्ट हुआ, तो हमारा आंसर 36.33 और 10⁻6 है, और यहाँ पे एक ही डिजिट शिफ्ट किया तो 10⁻−1, सो 36.33 into 10⁻, मल्टीप्लिकेशन में एडिशन होती है 6 प्लस इन ब्रैकेट सेकेंड 10⁻−1 है, सो 36.33 into 10⁻, कितनी आ गई 6 - 1 5, तो अभी हमारी फर्स्ट ब्रैकेट में क्या आती 10⁵, अभी सेकेंड में भी हमने क्या कर दी 10⁵, डेसिमल पॉइंट शिफ्ट, अभी सिंपली हम क्या करेंगे 45.67 माइनस 30, तो हमने दोनों की पावर क्या कर रहे हैं सेम ला रहे, तो यहाँ पे क्या होगा हमारा फर्स्ट सब्सट्रैक्शन, तो 45.67 माइनस 36.33 और सेम पावर हमने क्या ली थी 10⁵, तो और सब्सट्रैक्शन दिस टू वैल्यू वी गेट आंसर 9.33 और हमारी 10⁻कितनी थी 5। तो इन दिस एग्जांपल हमने क्या देखा था पावर डिफरेंटली, तो हमने डेसिमल सेकेंड ब्रैकेट का चेंज करके क्या किया राइट हैंड साइड पे शिफ्ट किया, तो कितना आ गया 36.33 into 10⁻, कितनी आ गई 5, तो 10⁻5 और यहाँ पे भी 10⁻5 है, तो हमने सिमिलर और सिंपली भी सब्सट्रैक्ट कर दिया 45.67 into 36.33, so we get answer 9.33 into 10⁻, हमारे जो सेम 5, so this is our final answer. In this lecture we study the scientific notation. So first हमने चेक किया साइंटिफिक नोटेशन के 2 रूल थे, मींस डेसिमल पॉइंट को हमने राइट हैंड साइड पे शिफ्ट किया तो हम सब्सट्रैक्ट कर देंगे, और लेफ्ट हैंड साइड पे शिफ्ट किया तो हम क्या करते हैं ऐड कर देंगे, फिर हमने मल्टीप्लिकेशन की साइंटिफिक नोटेशन की एग्जांपल देख ली, फिर डिवीजन और फिर हमने एडिशन और सब्सट्रैक्शन। आई होप यू अंडरस्टैंड। इफ यू हैव एनी क्वेरी then please ask me in doubt session.